Waxutical, soft and bright strip wax. Here's what you'll need for the treatment. Dermobalance lotion, pre-base, wax strips, spatulas, soft and bright cream strip wax, clarifying lotion and clarifying serum. Begin by removing the plastic lid from the can and placing the easy wax can holder. Place the can into the warmer, set the thermostat at 10 and place the lid for 15 minutes. Remove the metal cover, move the wax to ensure it's all melted, reduce the temperature to 6 and wait a further 5 minutes before beginning. Sanitize both yours and the client's hands and put on your gloves. Apply pre-base gel on the area until it is completely absorbed. Apply clarifying serum over the area, massage and tap until it's fully absorbed. This is how your wax should look when it's ready to use. Apply the wax and wait 5 to 10 seconds to allow for the masking effect. Apply the strip in a diagonal direction so it should look like a zigzag. Rub the strip to ensure it is well attached and remove. Make sure you are holding and stretching the skin firmly. Keep the diagonal direction to make the treatment more comfortable for the client and to avoid hair breakage. Fold your client's arm to work on the back area. Reapply the clarifying serum to increase the absorption while the pores are still open. Finalise by applying clarifying lotion and performing a relaxing massage. Repeat the entire process on the other arm.